What'd you say?
I never had so many birds at my house. Are you going to take a picture of the birds?
Mm-hmm. Why do you think they're here?
I don't know. Maybe because they like that right there.
Like what?
I said right here. Whoa! Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! How many birds are there?
Do you like those?
Yeah, there's so many birds. I like so many birds. I love them.
Yeah.
Some of them are even on the ground.
Mm-hmm. What do you think they're doing?
Maybe they're looking for food.
Mm-hmm. What kind of food?
I don't know. Maybe they like our yard. Maybe that's why they're here. Hi, birdie birdies. Maybe there's some more right back there. I'll go and check.
Okay.
I'll hurry up. Some of them are there.
Yeah. Are there more back here?
Yeah.
How many?
I can count that much. Maybe those birds are chasing each other.
Maybe.
Wow. I never had so many birds at my house.
What do you think we should do with them?
No, don't. I like these birds, and I want to keep them. And their mamas are going to be here too. Now they're going to that tree. Oh my goodness!
What?
I gotta go to Josie and Forest.